Hey folks, it's Duke here from GeoFolks. Today we're going to walk through turning points to lines. So let's say we got these hospital points right here. I'm going to go up to the analysis tab here, go to this drop down under tools, go all the way down till I see convert data and points to lines. I'm going to click on that, drag and drop this hospital's feature class in here. Then I'm good to click go from here, just using the default. So what this convert to lines tools will do is it will go to your attribute table, look at the object ID, and start to draw a point from the first point based on this object ID to the second point to the third point, and so on. So we'll make a line feature that way. You can hit this checkbox here and this will close off. So from the last point of this 6 right here, it'll draw a point back to that first point to close off the line. You also have an option to change here to construct 2-point lines. So this will be able to draw points between two features instead of just a continuous line. So I'm actually going to select that. You can see I have a feature selected here. And so it notifies me here that you have one selected. So if I were to hit run here, we'd probably get an error because I just have one feature selected. So I'm going to clear that. And now you can see that clears that selection within the tool. I'm going to click run. Okay, so now it's drawing lines between them. I'm going to right click on it, go to the attribute table. So now we have 5 lines, separate lines instead of one continuous line. If you want a continuous line, you can click this drop down and construct continuous line. Click that. Alright, so let's say I know that it makes them in a row. Well, let's say I want to do feature 1, a line between feature 1 and feature 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the attribute table of those line features, or sorry, the point features, by right clicking on that point feature and clicking attribute table. I'm going to click the number all the way to the left for the 2 features that I want. So I'm going to click one number, hold control, and then click the other. And now that was selected. I'm going to change the name of the output feature class so I know there's a distinction and I know which one I selected. Then I'm going to click run. Okay, and now we have a line between those 2 features. This is come in handy because we can use this to easily draw the straight line distance between 2 points instead of having to go all the way up to edit, create, and making our own line by snapping it to here and there. This could work really well if you have a ton of different lines and you just need to crank out a bunch of lines, a ton of different points, and crank out a bunch of lines in between them. So just a way to use the points to line tool here to get some things done. Hope this video helps. Thanks. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content.